guys, in this video we will be discussing the body of informal letter. Now so far in the previous videos we have discussed how to begin our informal letter, and the first rule is to start with the sender's address along with the date, and next we have discussed the salutation. The salutation for informal letter is very common. It is with dear or dearest or my dear. You do not need to be very formal writing an informal letter. It is very casual. Why? Because we are writing letters just to our family members or friends. Now in this video we will be discussing the body of informal letter. Now the body of informal letter is the soul of the letter. Why it is the soul of the letter? Because this part basically holds within itself, it holds why we are writing the letter. Okay, it contains the reason behind writing the letter. And the tone for writing the body of the letter. Body of the letter is basically the entire letter that you are writing. So the tone for writing the letter should be very friendly. You should always maintain a friendly tone. No abusive language. The tone should be friendly, and the tone may change depending upon the person to whom you are writing the letter. If you are writing a letter to your mother, in that case you need to be a little respectful, right? Even to your mother or your father. But when you are writing a letter to your younger siblings, in that case your tone can change a little bit. It can be a little warm, affectionate, and even a little naughty. Why? Because siblings do fight with each other. They complain to each other. But when you're writing a letter to your grandparents or your father or mother, in that case you have to show the respect even in the letters, right? You cannot just argue with them in letters or something like that. So in that case, to every person, if you are having a different relation, the tone of the letter will be according to that. Now here we will be discussing how do you need to start writing the letter, what should come in the middle of the letter, and how you can end the letter. Now starting letter will be your para number 1. Para number 1 will be how you will start the letter. You will always start the letter by greeting the addressee. Okay. We will always greet the addressee or the receiver. Addressee is basically the receiver, the person to whom you are writing. So you can begin with lines like, it has been a while since I have heard from you. Okay, you can begin like this, that it has been a while since I have heard from you. Or you can say, I hope everyone is fine at your place. Or I can say, I hope you are doing well. So you just don't need to start by just putting up the reason why you're writing. First you have to greet a little bit, and then you can place the reason, or you can put in the reason for your writing the letter. So a brief about, next you can talk about brief about the reason for writing the letter, right? This can include your paragraph number 1. From the next paragraph you can fill in all the details about your life, okay, details about the reason why you're writing the letter. That can be your paragraph number 2. Next, Paragraph number 3 is basically your ending or your conclusion. Now suppose the reason is that you want to invite your friend to your party, or you want to invite your cousin to your place. At that time over here, your ending will be that you have to convince your cousin to come, though that you will not accept any of the reasons that he or she will be giving for not coming, but you have to dearly convince her. Okay, so that can be your conclusion, that can be your ending. Then you can end by concluding that I hope to hear from you soon, or you can say looking forward to your reply. Now if you're talking, or if you're in a hostel, or you're far away from your family and you're writing a letter to your sibling, at that time you can also say that pay my regards to mother and father, don't disturb them a lot, don't trouble them a lot. So just a dear advice you can write. This is how our body is. At the end you can also write yours loving, yours caring, and then your name over here. In formal letter we write name along with the designation, but this is an informal letter. In that case you do not need to mention any designation or something, just you have to write yours loving or yours caring and your name, and your letter will end over here. So in this video I have concluded the body. I have introduced you to different paragraphs, the different ways in which we can begin the body and the ways in which we can end the body.